Hello, it's Mary from Pintus Automotive Diagnostics Pro. Today we have this Volkswagen Passat. The year is 2009. So it's a 2.0 liters engine and was having a grinding noise. And see what I found. After remove the intake manifold, I remove this cover right here, which is right there. Okay. After remove this cover, under this cover there is the water pump. As you can see, there is water pump not on the front like the other regular car, but yes, right here on the back there is the water pump. Driven by this shaft right there with a belt, a drive belt. But look how is the condition of this water pump. You see, that is why you know why it was giving a grinding noise while the engine was running. You see, but the thing is, to replace this water pump, this grinding noise, you have to do this job. You have to remove the intake manifold. The hardest part on this thing is remove the intake manifold. But yes, there is no way. Right here we have the intake manifold. Right here we have what tool we use. Right? And now the intake manifold is out, but we have to remove the water pump. We're trying to put, instead of plastic water pump, maybe aluminum water pump. I hope will be a good brand. But we have to reuse the sensors, and we have to put all new gasket and all ring on this Volkswagen Passat. Alright? If your Passat has a grinding noise, maybe this what you have to do to fix the problem. Alright? Thank you for watching Automotive Diagnostics Pro. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.